Texas rat snakes are going to be one of the largest snakes that you find in the Metroplex area. Get this thing off me, man. Get this thing off me, man. God dang. What is this thing jumping at me for, man? He likes you. Yeah, I can tell, man. All right, let's try to get back under control. You didn't tell me the thing jumped. Well, God dang.
Hi, Bill and Stacy. Well, the couple is accused of throwing two cats like this one here out of their car and killing them. Now, as part of their sentence, this little guy's having fun, but now as part of their sentence, the couple is going to have to come right here.
At the show.
Two of the dogs are in isolation at Hanover Animal Control. They're still looking for the other two. Meanwhile, other livestock owners...
No! Get it out!
You get away from here! You get away from here! You go!
And Grand Rapids celebrating their new title as Beer City, USA in a very appropriate fashion later today. I'm Nicole DiDonato, live in East Town, and those details coming up. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. That's a way to start a Thursday, Nicole.
You love it. You love it.
You can still see the tire tracks here where the cattle rustler pulled up to this entrance.
Oh my God.
This corn snake is coming to North Alabama. Ew, what's it doing?
Several schemes sprang up to take advantage of the financial potential of these birds. One scheme promised investors a 50% return on their investment within 1 year. To me, that would have been a warning sign. Nonetheless, sorry. We'll never get this right, Paul.
From the Manatee County Fair, Linda Carson, ABC7. Would you not eat my pants?
Now, with this program, the pets have to be at least 40.
One thing you do have an opportunity to do is to come down and meet Miss Vanessa and say hello and see what she actually does.
Excuse me. You're not allowed to go there.
Not that close, but...
Whoa. Turn it off. Turn it off. You're a bad woman.
She's a little
I cannot believe that happened. Bad.
Tjädertuppos. Det är 1,5 plusgrader. Fantastiskt skådespel det här var.
Okay. Excuse me. All right. There's the foot. There's the turkey. Okay, fine. And here comes the mail truck. Oh, he's coming across the street at me. All right. Maybe this is true. Okay. No! Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Go away. Go away. Go away. Oh my God. What do I have? I don't have a stick. Holy crap. Excuse me. All right. Oh. Oh! Jesus Christ. No! God! No! Go away! Go away! Help! Okay. He won't stop. Ah! Okay. Thank you. The mailman came back. It's true. It's so true. No! Ah! God! Help! Ah! What do we do? Can you grab it? Throw something at him? I can't throw my camera at him. I don't know if he would bite me or what he would do. But thank God for that mail truck. And I think I'm going to go ahead and put in my got me trapped in the car. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, fine. He's out this window now. Here he is. Okay. He's like circling around my car. There he is in the front, waiting for me to come out. Oh my God, there he is. He's waiting for me to get out of the car. Well, I mean, I would not want to be the people living here. Thank you very much. I'm shaking. If the camera's shaking, it's because I'm shaking. My arm is shaking because I'm scared of that turkey.
Scientists hope the baby chicken side will take on all the characteristics of a moa. That means if the scientists are successful, the baby moa chick will grow to at least 3 times the size of these ostriches. Go away. Go away.